This is the way you fix plastic. You clean up your area that you want to fix. You put crazy glue on it. Crazy glue. You use it sparingly. A lot. These are my rollerblades that I've had for 20 years. Put crazy glue and then
live.
You stick it together. Very carefully because that cement is gonna stick like crazy.
Échale polvo ahí, échale.
¿Mucho o poquito?
Échale un dedito.
And then you put baking soda. Oh.
Échale más, more.
¿Hasta dónde? ¿Dónde?
¿Dónde está el líquido? Se ve el líquido botando.
Sí. Échalo para un lado. Ajá, sí.
Ya está bien, ya.
That baking soda
Ya.
mixes with the crazy glue. And it creates a like more plastic. I put some more here. And then you just hold it down and that's gonna make it stick. We did this with
Tápame el pote.
We did this with my refrigerator. There was a piece that we could not find. Let's go here to my fridge. And this piece of this fridge. See? That piece, my husband fixed it, and now it is so strong because I tried to find that piece, but I ordered several and they didn't fit. And this is how skates are supposed to work nicely, but those are only a couple years old, but mine are 20 years old since I was like 11, 12 years old. And I really like these. They're very good. All you have to do is change the wheels, rotate the wheels, just like you do in a car. And this is what you do. It's a little messy, but once it sticks, it never comes off. It's very strong. Again, this is crazy glue. And then you put some more on top. I could have just thrown these skates away, but I have a lot of memories with these skates. And this is the way my husband has fixed various things in this house that are plastic. And you can't find replacements to. Then you put more baking soda. You put a couple layers, several, and it'll go away. It'll turn white. Okay, while that's drying, ¿cuántas capas más le vas a echar?
Otra ahorita.
So 3 layers of that stuff. Three layers of crazy glue and 3 layers of baking soda. Okay, while he's gluing that again, let's see some rollerblading. Not in the house, but outside. Yes, Heidi's learning to rollerblade. So here we skate. Kids are all at home. Some are doing hybrid, some are doing homeschooling. There's kids over there. And roller skating has been very important for Heidi. She has a bike, but she prefers to skate. Let's go down our bike path here. It's playing. Heidi, ven para acá. Here we skate to. Ven para acá. Ven. Here, our dog can go down here too. Ooh. Okay, good, thank you. All right, let's go back in. Come on, Sally. Ven. I'm going in. Let's see if Dad's done. Ooh, now the inside. That's good. Good to have a wise husband. Now you put the baking soda on the inside. Not just on the outside, but on the inside too. You probably should have taken out the inside part of my rollerblades off. And then you put more crazy glue. Crazy glue's excellent, but if you don't put the baking soda, it's just gonna come apart. Okay, the baking soda creates more plastic. Okay, we're like at four layers of crazy glue. You might need to buy more. We've used a lot of this crazy glue.
Se acabó esto.
Yeah. All right. I'll show you a video later of us rollerblading, okay? Bye.
No, not yet.
Yep, we're done.
No, look. Ah, shit, I'm done.
Nicely wrecking all the rug in the house. Okay, one last little bit. Ooh, good job. Okay. go. Good job.
Look, one more time.
Again and again. Good. Good job. Okay, bye.
Bye.